morning everyone and welcome back. So I did this frog for Froggy Friday and I'm actually going to demold him, put him on the channel, and then I'm going to create a new one. So it's technically Froggy Friday because it will go up today, which is Friday, and with this I'm going to create a completely new frog. So let's get him demolded and see what he looks like. If you saw the other video of how amazing the actually inside excuse me, actually inside looked like, then you'll see what I mean. I mean, look at that. So let's go. Let's have a look. Oh, his toes came out really well. God, they are. I've only used this frog 5 times and it's still stiff. Look at that. It's very see-through. It's like it has insides. I think that must be the best one I've made. Barely any bubbles. I normally get bubbles under his chin, and he's got blue eyes as well. And they're in the right, no, kind of were in the right way. What do you think? I love him. He's pretty cool. So yeah. I like it. So let's get on and create a new one. What I'm going to do just yet, I have no idea. But we'll see how the day takes us. So leave me a comment down below what you think to this little guy. Look at that. It's awesome. The little things that make us happy, eh? Yeah, so I'm going to create another one today and see what we can do, what we can create, what magic we can muster up. So I will leave you with that one. Thank you for watching. Catch you later.